I want to talk today about a way to win your DUI case. When the police arrest you for impaired driving, they must have reasonable and probable grounds that your ability to operate a motor vehicle was impaired by alcohol. Oftentimes they don't, and what your lawyer will do is they'll bring a Section 8 charter application that it was an unlawful seizure of your breath samples, and they'll seek to exclude the evidence under Section 24(2) of the charter, meaning the breath samples, and you win your case. Let me give you an example. This is the example which I often tell my clients during the first interview. I pull into a ride program and I've been drinking. The police officer asked me, have you been drinking? I roll the window down. There's an odor of alcohol on your breath. I have red and glossy eyes. In that particular case, the police do not have reasonable and probable grounds to believe your ability to operate a motor vehicle was impaired because it's not. It just shows you have been drinking. What they have to do in that particular situation is give you what's called an alco test, which is a roadside screening test. If you blow over on it, they're going to charge you with blowing over the legal limit, but not with impaired driving. Impaired driving means you're all over the roadway, you're slurring, etc. You weren't. So in that particular case, if they falsely charge you, if they in their own mind think they had reasonable probable grounds and bypass the alco test, in other words, just arrest you, you can easily win that case by excluding it at trial, bringing that charter application. Let me give you the same example, but I pull into the ride program. My driving's poor. I'm heavily slurring. I roll down the window. I'm not making sense. That officer's going to be able to arrest you. You probably wouldn't be able to win that case, but you're too drunk. But you see, there's a lot of other cases where people are a slight weave on the roadway. Police officer pulls them over. Maybe they have an odor of alcohol in their breath, and everything else is fine though. They probably would not have reasonable probable grounds under that case, and you could win it at trial. There's all sorts of cases in between, from total sobriety to falling down drunk. It really depends where your case is. It really depends on the experience of the police officer, because a lot of police officers make mistakes, and we consistently win with this defense under our Canadian Charter of Rights and Freedoms. That's the video tip of the day.